cut it roughly from outside like this roughly. Then now cut in detail from outer lines. Here I have cut in detail, you can see that from outer line I have cut that. Now can you see these lines, all the line which are there inside all these lines? We need to make a crease here, here, everywhere, like here also, here, everywhere where you can see these inside line, not outer line. I'm not saying this are lines which are there on edges, the line which are inside here. Okay, just we will make a crease now. Fine. Here, 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 here also, and here also. Okay, just you need to make a crease, fold it properly and make a crease, and you can open it again. You will see here, see I have made creases everywhere. Okay, here also see I have made a crease, I folded it and opened it, folded and opened. Here also see creases are there everywhere, even on this dark part also. If you see this dark part, can you see crease? Okay, sharp crease and open it. Okay, everywhere creases are there. And you know we are making these creases, see the line is this side and we are making crease other side. Okay, that you need to keep in your mind. Okay, got it. Now what we will do, we will put the glue here on dark part. Two things you need to keep in your mind. One is that you are folding towards, means other side of the line, and second is you need to put glue on the dark part. So I have glued it, you can see that I have glued this part. Now this side is there, this full side, you need to align with this outer line. Okay, this side should be aligned with the outer line. How you do that properly? You need to keep it here, see, and close it, means paste it. Here also this other side, here you can see the dark part, we need to align this side on this one line. Okay, properly we need to align. How we are going to do? Like this, see that, see, you need to cover the dark part. This dark part is there now. If you're having the colored paper, that will come in green, and if you're having black and white paper, that will come black. Okay, so we are done with our first shape. Now we will go to the beak. Okay, so now you can see that each line, every line is having a fold. See, this is also having crease, this is also having a crease, this is also having a crease, and this is also having a crease. Okay, as I told you, only this one you will fold towards my face and I am folding towards your face. Okay, and this one you will fold towards your face. See, I have folded towards my face. Just we need to make a crease here. You make sure you are making a crease. We are not folding and pasting here. Okay, we need to fold it towards means we need to fold it with the we need to paste it with the other shape. Okay, here, fine. So I'm just taking the other shape where we need to paste it. As I told in other shape, we need to glue the dark part only. Okay, I'm just going to glue the dark. So I have glued it, this dark part, see, from dark side. Now if you see this this part, this is the bottom. Okay, we are going to fold it, paste it this beak here, the center part. Okay, this center we are going to paste inside. Okay, here inside here, and make sure you are aligning it properly. Align means you need to paste it on the line only. See, I have pasted it on the line. See this, got it? If you see that I have pasted it on the line. Now for these sides, this side and for this side, this black part is there, we will fold with that part, okay, right hand side will be pasted this side and left hand side will be pasted this side. Just you need to glue this dark part and paste it. So if you see this, I have glued this part and I am just pasting it with that left hand side. This is my left hand side, and when I'm pasting, I'm aligning it properly. You can see that alignment should be there, means that pasting should not come on line only. This line is there na, we need to paste it on the line. See, I have pasted it on the line, got it? This, see, both the sides, fine. Now we will go to the next shape. As you can see, I have made the creases on all the lines. Like here also I have made crease, and now I am folding up other side of the line. See here also I have made a crease, make with your nails here, make it sharp, and see I have made a crease. And here also this dark part, you know that dark part we are using for pasting other shape, and this is the beak, okay, upper part, and you can color it also. Okay, fine. So we are just going to paste it. Okay, see this is also beak, okay, and that is part of the beak, okay, the fourth part. So this upper side, this one, okay, this we will paste on it, like we will keep here, just check this here, and we will paste this, okay, here. Fine, understood. This will paste here both the side like this properly. Okay, put the glue on this big dark part here. Okay, fine. Here and here also you need to put the glue on this dark part. As you can see, I have pasted this part and that part, and now I'm pasting the side. This is open, this side is also open. I will put glue here on this dark part here. See this dark part, and I will glue it like this. Okay, like this I will glue, and after doing that we will be ready with our body like this. Okay, we will be ready with body, and then we'll stick the wings. After that we will stick the wings. So here you can see we are ready with the body. Here, see, this is the bee. Here we are ready with the pasting. You can see that. Okay, see, we are ready with the body. Now we'll stick the wings. Fine, yeah. And the pasting is not going to be easy. That is a little challenging. Okay, don't give up. Just take your time and do it. Okay, just take your time, no problem at all. As you can see, I am done with the cutting of these wings and this tail. I am done with that. Okay, as you know, we know where we find line, we need to fold that. We need to make a crease here on this dark part. Here we need to make a crease here, and if you want to, see, this is up to you. If you want to make a crease here, you can make here also. Okay, crease, but that you need to fold this line. You need to fold towards your face, like my face, sorry, here like this little bit. Okay, fine, here. Okay, now we are having little like a flying shape we are having, and open this dark part, glue it, and you need to stick that. Okay, so I have glued it, see, you can see, and make sure when you're sticking it, you need to stick on that line only. Okay, this upper line, see, this is the upper line, this is not a bottom line, this is the big, this is the you will see that here 8 is written, you see this 8 is written here, so you need to stick here somewhere here. Got it? Like this you need to, and this full shape is there, in the center you can stick. Okay, in center, see, I am sticking in the center here. Fine, glue it, and both sides, this other side also you will do the same only. Okay, we are done with the one wing. You can see that we are done with the one wing, and the second, now we will stick the second. Same way we can stick the other wing also. Got it? See, fine. Now we are going to put the tail here. Okay, like this we have put the tail also. Now we are ready with our bird. You can see that it look so nice. Yeah, if you want to flatten the wings a little bit, you can do. Okay, you can do as you want to do. Fine, but we are ready with our bird. You can see that flying bird. Got it?